Hi, I'm Rosemarie. I just finished a coaching call with Mr. Millionaire Inside himself, Coach Nick. And I've got to say, I mean, out of all of the coaching programs that I've been a part of, Nick just gave me some really valuable information that I can definitely use. And his patience and thoroughness are top notch. I mean, this is above and beyond what I would have expected in coaching in this program. And it's a part of the Kingdom Digital Academy. And trust and believe, if you have not checked out the Kingdom Digital Academy yet, this is the kind of support that you get. This is the level of support and information that you get, troubleshooting. He goes out of his way. He makes himself available to you to make sure that you succeed. And I really appreciate that, especially because I'm new to digital marketing. And as I'm going along, it's starting to make more and more sense. And I'm so encouraged that this is going to be my turn to get time freedom. Thanks to Nick and Mr. Millionaire Insight, and thanks to the Kingdom Digital Academy. If you are even thinking about venturing into digital marketing and you need a really good place to start and to have the support that you need, then the Kingdom Digital Academy is a place that I would definitely recommend that you check out. And maybe somewhere on this page is a link. So I hope so. And hopefully we'll see you inside the community. Thanks again, Nick. Thank you for all that you do. And we'll see you soon. Take it easy.